Hello, today I will introduce our switch characteristic tester. And here, we have a hand-cut circuit breaker. We can simply explain to you what kind of wiring is it. Now we can see that there is a diagram on it. R, A1, B1. C1 corresponds to one of the 4 core air plug cables below us. Test interface. After we connect ABC, this is to be sure connected to Earth. Our side is directly connected with copper wire. We need to short it here, and then ground it. Our internal and external triggers corresponds to our. For example, if we use the internal trigger, we use our own instrument to trigger it. For external trigger, we use the external trigger power supply. The trigger power is connected to the closing coil, and the trip coil, we need to connect it there. Then let it have a reception, so that we can synchronize and test it. Then the energy storage is connected to our bag, our 4-line horizontal plug line, and then according to the test subjects we tested. Which 2 knobs store energy? Which are 2 terminals? We connect those 2 terminals. Our internal trigger are also connected to the aviation plug on our side, the specifier closing coil, the trip coil, then at a common point. To those 3 points. Then unlock and lock the power supply. We are. Because some switches now have this function, while others don't. We will connect it according to the actual situation. To do a wiring, if there is, we will connect it, because it's on the circuit breaker drawing. There is a diagram of ours. If it is locked, it will have a drawing on it, which will be displayed. For our sensors, we have linear sensors and rotary sensors. For linear sensors, you can see the linear movement. Here, in the status bar, you can actually see it. There is an arrow here. And then you move the transducer. It will move back and forth. If we use our rotation sensor, fix this place, then the magnetic table holder is attached to it. After adjusting the angle, then we can do a test. This place picks up. You can see our test is completed. There will be an action curve. This is the one we came in alone. The basic panel. We do one by adjusting the brightness to see if we can see clearly. Okay, let's click OK. Here are our tests, settings, and files. Let's check it now. For example, we want to do a test. Okay, let's do a disconnection test now. There are prompts on the instrument. Follow the instructions. There is no wiring short circuit. The voltage is 220 volts. Then the internal trigger is 250 milliseconds. Then phase A is where our sensors are installed. Then the sensor type. Sensor type can be selected. Then the itinerary test. If we want to use it, we need to turn it on. Then define the speed as front and rear separation. This is our basic settings. After we click confirm, the instrument will start the test. OK. There is a status detection here, which corresponds to the one we just talked about. To check the status of the fracture, where our sensor is now. Which position? During the test, it should be kept between 2 and 3. Return. Then open test and close test. Are similar settings. Then for our test settings, you can see that it is triggered inside this. If it's external trigger, we will change it to external trigger. Click the down key. Then confirm. For example, if it's external trigger, we can change it to external trigger according to your own definition to modify some information on it. And then this is one of our printing modules. For example, after we finish testing, we're going to print the data. There is comprehensive printing, which prints the overall data. If it's page printing, it will only print the current page, depending on the scenario you are applying to. To make a choice. Okay, the instrument introduction is complete.